Hello students, this is lecture number 3. Today we will discuss the features of management. So the very first feature of the management is goal oriented process. So when we see the definition of management, it says management is a process of getting the thing done through others with the objective of achievement of organizational goals effectively and efficiently. So the main purpose of management is to direct the efforts of all the people working in an organization towards the accomplishment of organizational goals. So therefore it is rightly said that management is a goal oriented process. Okay. The second feature is group activity. So it is not a one-man show. Management is not a one-man show. We have a production department, we have a sales department, we have a finance department, we have a marketing department. So the job of the management is that we ensure the unity of actions of all these groups who are working towards the accomplishment of the organizational goal. So it is not a one-man show. It is very much a group activity. The third feature is intangible force. I am tangible. You can touch. You can see. Intangible means you cannot see and touch. But its presence can be felt. So management is intangible force whose presence can be felt when the entire work is being done as per the plan. So that's why we say it is a well managed organization. Next feature is continuous process. So it is a continuous process. Management is a continuous process. Like just I told you, it is not a one-time activity. We plan, right? We design authority, responsibility, structure, right? We staff. Thereafter, we direct who is to do what. Okay? We motivate, we communicate. Thereafter, we compare our actual performance with the standard performance. And then we find out the deviations. After analyzing those deviations, we make a fresh plan. So it goes on and on and on. Next is all pervasive. So management is all pervasive. All pervasive meaning that it is present in almost all the organization, be at school, be at hospital, be at college, be at government organization, be at NGO, any organization you talk about, management is present over there. And not only of organizations, we talk of different levels also. Okay, at all level of organization, management is present and is very much required. Next is dynamic function. Management is a dynamic function. Okay. So it is not sometimes like a rigid prescription. It is not sometimes like something like a rigid prescription. Management is very flexible. It is capable of changing in itself. It is capable of adapting to the changing needs and requirements of the external environment. We all know the external environments in which the organization operates. It keeps on changing every now and then. So throwing various opportunities and challenges. Next feature, the last feature is multidimensional. So management is a multidimensional. This means there are 3 dimensions, that is management of work, management of people, management of operations. So it means management of work. Here we will discuss first the management of work. So this means that it translates the goals and objectives of the organization in terms of what is the work which is to be done. It translates the entire goals and objectives of the organization into work which is required to be done, the problems which are required to be solved, the decisions which are required to be made. पूरे broad goals and objectives को हमने translate किया है in terms of problems to be solved, in terms of decisions to be made, and in terms of plans to be established. Then thereafter the management of people. So when we talk about management of people, people means human resources. People means human resources. So when we compare 2 organizations, let's say A and B, okay, they are going to have same kind of finance, the same kind of technical support, the technology that they use. Okay, the only factor that gives an organization a competitive edge over the other organization is its human resources, right? आपका finance, आपकी technology को use करने वाला कौन है? Human. Okay, कैसे करता है human resource? Okay, So it is your human resource which are going to give you a competitive edge over the other organization. So how you manage your people, right? How you manage your human resources. Okay, so human resource management is very important aspect of management, and the task of the manager is to continuous motivate these people working in an organization towards the achievement of organizational goals. Next is the last dimension, that is management of operation. So thereafter we talk about the management of operation, that is we here talk about the managing the production process, that is how do we convert the input and the raw material into the final products, okay, that you are going to offer to the customer for sale, right? So when we say management is multidimensional, we talk about three dimensions, that is management of work, management of people, and management of operations. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.